Just going to run through some questions on the Pigeon HolE principle. So a school committee is made up of Year 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11 and 12 students. How many committee members need to be chosen to be certain that at least, now the first part is, at least 2 of its members are from the same year group. Okay, so if 2 of its members are from the same year group, that means we have them from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 6 choices. So at least 2 of them from the same year group. That means if you take the 2 has like the 1 extra one added on. So if you take the 2 and take away 1, then you'd have 1 lot of 6, which is 6, and add 1 again, and you'll have 7. So you would need to choose 7 members before 2 of them would be from the same year group. So if you think about that, we have 6 choices, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we choose a year 7, a year 8, a year 9, a year 10, a year 11, and a year 12, that would be 6 people. And then if you add 1 more on, that means that 1 of them must be from one of these year groups, okay, because you have no choice. You could have chosen them all from year 7, and that would still guarantee that you would have at least 2 of them from the same year group. So that would be 6 plus 1, which is 7. So there's always 1 more. But what if 3 of its members, we wanted to be certain were from the same year group? So if we go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, see that's the choices. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now if we want to do at least 3, that means if we did 3 minus 1, we have 2. So we put 2 in each box. So that would be 2 lots of 6, which is 12. And then you need to choose 1 more to make it 13 to be certain that there would be at least 3 from each year group. So can you see that as a method? Whatever it is, if it's at least, if you want at least 3, so if you want at least 3, you take away the extra 1 from the 3 and you get 2, and then you do 2 times what your choices is and then add 1 more back on again. So you take the 1 away and then you multiply by your choices and add it on again. So if we want at least 8 members from the same year group, that means that, see, you have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So that means if you take 8 minus 1, you'd have 7. Like you put 7 in each, 7 from each year group. So you spread it evenly across the year groups. Okay, and then that means that if you've got 7, you have 7 6s, which is 42. And then 42 plus 1 will give you 43. So you would have to make 43 choices before you would guarantee that at least one of them would have 8 from that year group.